In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning 3D text in PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing for a presentation or designing a logo, adding 3D text can really enhance the visual appeal of your slides. This straightforward tutorial will guide you step by step through the process. So let's dive right in. First things first, open PowerPoint on your computer. You'll want to make sure you've got a presentation where you can add some text. If you don't already have one open, feel free to start a new presentation or open an existing one that you're working on. Once your presentation is open, navigate to the Insert tab, which you'll find at the top of the screen. Clicking this will give you a variety of options to insert new elements into your slide. The next thing we want to do is add some text. To do that, go ahead and click on the text box option within the Insert menu. You can then click and drag on your slide to create a text box of your desired size. After this, you can type whatever text you want to appear on the slide. Feel free to experiment with different words or phrases. Once your text is in place, click outside the text box to ensure the text is selected. Now it's time to add that 3D magic. Move on to the Shape Format tab, located also at the top of your screen. This tab will present you with various formatting options. What you'll want to do next is to focus on text effects. Click on this to open a drop-down menu. From here, you're going to select 3D rotation. This step will allow you to add depth to your text and give it that three-dimensional effect. A small submenu offering different rotation options will appear. However, for custom settings, click on 3D rotation options. This action opens up a panel on the right side of your screen. Here in this panel, you'll find advanced customization options. Within this menu, find and click on the 3D format drop-down. This reveals settings to modify the text's depth and surface. Increase the depth to your liking. This gives the text that pronounced 3D appearance by extending it further into the background. Now switch over to the 3D rotation drop down. This is where you can choose your final rotation style. There are several preset rotations you can choose from, so feel free to experiment until you find the effect that best suits your presentation's aesthetic. And that's it, you've now created 3D text in PowerPoint. With a little practice, you can master these steps and use them to make your presentations more captivating and memorable. Recall that the key is to play around with different settings to see what looks best for your project. Have fun trying out these tweaks and good luck with your presentations.